I'm Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes, and today we're going to do smoked sausage and fried cabbage with some yellow squash out of the garden, onion, and some green chili, because we're in New Mexico. We're going to throw some green chili in there. All right, so let's go inside and get that cut up. Okay, that was fast, wasn't it? So what I've got, you didn't need to watch me cut everything up. This has just got some head of cabbage, some smoked beef sausage, some onions, the yellow squash, and some green chili. Get the Blackstone fired up, just like that. It's not like a barbecue grill. You can start it with the lid closed. We'll let that heat up a minute. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is get our onions and squash going. Get a little oil on there. Roll. This is a medium onion, white onion. You can use large, small, it don't matter. Size don't matter. Okay. You can cut them up small, you can cut them up in big chunks. However you want to do it. We're going to let these warm up a little bit. Maybe get a little clear. We'll let them go for a second. We'll be right back. Okay, we let our onion go, get a little head start. They've been on for about 3 minutes now. Got my temperature on a little bit on that, just under the high. It's a high setting. Get these cooked up. Now we're going to add our yellow squash from the garden. Get those cooked up. Just like that. Piece of cake. We'll let these go for a few minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, while those are cooking up, you know I got to get some of my garlic pepper on there. I'll shake this up first. Sprinkle that in there. I gotta have garlic pepper. Those are looking good. Another minute or two. Okay, so we've got a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add our green chili. It is green chili season here in New Mexico right now, and thank goodness, because we're getting down to our last few green chilies. Okay, we got the green chilies in here. Get them all mixed up nice and good. All I have to cook, they've already been roasted. Just warm them up. They're looking good. Onions are just starting to get transparent. You don't have to totally cook these. You want to keep them a little bit crunchy. So right now, I'm going to move these over to the right. I have this burner off. Those will stay warm over there. Put a tiny bit of oil down. Just a little bit. Don't overdo it. Get those onions off the bottom. Maybe we'll spread it around. And then we're going to get our sausage. This is smoked beef sausage. Alright. We're going to just brown these up a little bit. So you want to get them all the flesh side down if you can. Like that. Back up here. I wanted to add, in New Mexico with green chilies, you want to know how obsessed we are with them? You can get green chili at, I think, every restaurant. Every fast food restaurant, McDonald's, you can get green chilies on your McDonald's burger. McDonald's, Sonic, Whataburger, all of them. Blake's Whataburger, that's our famous hamburger place here in New Mexico. But anyway, so we love our green chili. Just wanted to add that, and we're about ready to flip these. Check one, see how they're getting brown. Yep, that's browning up a little bit. Try to do a bunch at a time. We'll get them. Those are looking good. See why I didn't add much oil? These things, a lot of oil comes out of these things. Just wanted enough just so they wouldn't stick right away. Okay, those are getting nice and brown. Slide those over here with our vegetables. Let some of the grease drip off of them. Okay. All right, we're going to fry our cabbage. We've already got grease down here, so I'm going to toss it right on. You're going to be surprised. This looks like a lot of cabbage. As it cooks down, of course, it'll be less and less. There you go. How's that? Is that a bunch of cabbage or what? All right, we're going to let this go. We'll cook it down. Be right back. Want to kind of mix them up a little bit. And we'll let it sit, and we'll flip, let it sit. Probably end up putting cover on it, throw a little steam in there. We'll be right back. Okay, these have been going a couple of minutes. Looking really good, but right now I'm going to cover them for a minute or two with my cover. And let them steam a little bit. They're so full of moisture. Might as well catch some of it, right? Oh. Lid on there. Just like that. Just for fun. Get a little bit of steam in there. Just like that. Okay, it's been a little over a minute. Let's check them out. Oh, forgot, I gotta put some of my SPG, my garlic pepper in there. And I'm actually gonna add some table salt. Like I said, normally I don't. I let whoever's eating add their own salt. We'll just put enough to get a little bit of salt seasoning in there. Look at that. That's gonna be good. Alright. Put that lid on there again. Stir it up a little bit so it'll fit. On there, I'm going to hit it with a tiny bit more water. That's steamed up. A little over a minute. Ah, that wasn't good. Got a little carried away. You have to be a little gentle, even with this big 36 inch. That's looking good. Clean up my mess. Okay, my mess wasn't too bad. There's only 3 pieces down. Looks like more than that. Looks good. get them soft. You don't want to have them too crunchy. Unless, of course, that's how you like it. This was a pretty good sized head of cabbage. So it made a nice amount. But you can see from where it was before, it's shrinking down. So I think I'm going to go probably about another minute or so under the lid. Squirt it some more. It's probably going to be the last bit of water that I put in there. So next we'll add the vegetables to it. Let this go a minute. Okay, I'm going to check them again. The best way to describe it, you want them kind of, I guess, like al dente. You don't want them super soft, you don't want them hard. And they're just about there. Okay. Right now I'm going to add the vegetables back in. We're going to get our onions, our yellow squash, and our green chili mixed in over here. That all mixed up nice. Oh man, it's starting to smell really good. I think I'm going to go one more minute under the lid, and we'll mix in our sausage. Ready to take it in the house and enjoy it. Okay, let me get that covered up. Okay, I think we're ready to add our sausage. I think what has that been, about 5, 6, maybe 6 to 8 minutes. Everybody in the pool. That. That sausage was warm, so there's not any reason to wait and cook this anymore. I just want to get it all nice and blended up in here before I put it back in the bowl. Pretty good, huh? Alright, let's see if I can get this in this bowl without making a huge mess. I'm going to start it off with a mess. It's like we're feeding an armadillo. Definitely going to have some leftovers with this. It smells really, really good. You can hear them already. Flame out, time to eat. Look at this. Oh man. It's hot. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna get inside. Okay, here we are inside. Remember that cabbage raised up way up here. Now look at it. Time to enjoy. Okay, so I had to come back out here and talk to you about that fried cabbage and smoked beef, sausage, and the onion and squash and the green chili. Let me just tell you, man, that green chili makes this dish. We used some medium hot green chilies, so they weren't smoking hot. They were nice and hot, a little zippy, but man, I gotta tell you, those are a must if you're making this dish. If you can get a hold of some green chilies, add it to it. If you don't like green chilies or a little bit of heat, leave it out, but I'm telling you, that's the way to go. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you at the next video.